Morning everybody, AJ here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Office. Two reasons I can think of to turn on dark mode would be to help reduce eye strain. So instead of looking at bright whites for long periods of time, having a dark theme can help reduce eye strain and eye soreness. And the second reason is visuals. It's personal preference. I think the dark theme looks a lot nicer than the colorful or the bright white, but this is totally up to you. If you find this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and let me know what other content you want to see. And with that being said, let's get into this. So what you want to do is open up Outlook or any of the Office program suite, go into the top left hand corner and click on File, scroll down to the option of Office account, and here it's going to take you to your user information. Underneath that, you'll see options of your account privacy, Office background, and colorful and Office theme. You can see here the theme is currently set to colorful, and if I select this drop down menu, I can change to dark gray, black, and white. I'm going to turn on black, and you'll see that everything that was white is now transposed and it's black. If you turn this on in one Office product, it will appear in all of them. So if I've turned it on in Outlook, the next time I open up Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, all of those are going to have the dark theme turned on. Cool, and it is that easy to turn on dark theme in Microsoft Office. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what other content you want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.